Welcome HubSpot Heroes! Today we're learning how to create a sequence in HubSpot in 59 seconds. At the end, you'll be sending targeted emails that nurture your contact like a pro. Imagine a friendly email robot that sends out emails over time, engaging your contact and booking appointments, all while you sip on some coffee and ponder the meaning of life. So go to your HubSpot, click on Automation, Sequences, and here you can create from scratch or use a template sequence. I will click on Create from Scratch. So you can have automated emails or you can have manual email call tasks, general tasks, whatever you want. So here we will add automated email, new thread, next, and you have to either create a template or use a template you already have. So here, for example, I will use a request call outbound. So you see I have some personalized value. It will take into account according to the contact or the company associated. I can add A/B tests if I want, for example. So I can use, for example, this one and click on the toggle here to have different emails sent and see which one is performing the best. I can click on the plus button here and add, for example, another email. And I will select reply because it will send the second email with the same subject line. So you will have kind of a conversation. You will have the history of the email. Click on next, select the second template. I want to send in 4 business days once the first email is sent. And here I can click on plus, add a call task. You can set as priority high. If you want, you can add to a specific queue. And you can note, like, for example, just to remind you where you're at before calling the prospect. You can click on settings and here you can configure differently your sequence and you have the automate tab. You can see that the contact will be unenrolled from the sequence if he replies to your email or book a meeting inside your email. But you can also say if the contact replies to any emails or book a meeting, you can also remove that lead from the sequence. I hope you like this tutorial about how to create a sequence inside HubSpot. Give us a thumbs up and press that bell icon to subscribe to our channel to get more tutorials like this. And also, don't hesitate to comment inside the section. I will answer to you. Until next time, keep automating and stay awesome. Bye!